everyone will get fired by 2022. Oh God, I don't have even a family business. What will I do? Please help. Chill, take a chill pill, man. सब बर्बाद हो गया यार. अब गांव का टिकट करवाते हैं, चलते हैं. रामू काका, 2 टिकट कल शाम के गांव के. हाँ, सब खेती करेंगे. सब खत्म भाई. What's up guys, this is Mike and you are watching Study with Mike. So today's video is all about, since morning most of the students has been messaging me on LinkedIn, Instagram, email, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. Sir, bro, what is this? Will I get laid off by next year? I have just joined this company. What will happen? I am so panicked. Please help. Please have a lot of comments, questions, email. So guys, relax. First of all, take a deep breath. Pause this video and have some tea or coffee or cold drink, whatever you want. We are better than millions of people in the earth. We have food, we have shelter, and so many equipments and luxuries of life. Okay, so relax. And today I'll analyze this news. I'll put the screenshot over here for your ease so that you can read. I'll analyze each and every point of this news. Today I am your news analyst, Mr. Mike. So let's begin. First of all guys, let me tell you some data. Okay, so 3 million they are going to laid off by next year. Total number of employees in TCS, and they mentioned only 3 companies, TCS, Info, 3 to 4 companies. I have added few big IT fishes also like Accenture, etc. So total number of employees in TCS 4,17,929 based on Google latest data. Okay, Wipro 1,75,000, HCL 1,68,997, CTS Cognizant Technology Solution Cogni 2,89,500, Infosys 2,59,619, TechM 1,25,000, and additionally I have added the most biggest IT firm Accenture. It is nowhere mentioned in the news, but take it, yeah, 5,37,000 employees in Accenture. So total it is somewhere around 19,73,025 total number of employees throughout the world in these companies. 19 lakhs in 1.9 million. Okay, so 1.9 million, which is almost equal to 63.33% of 3 million. So it means by next year they have to hire 36.66 additional hiring to fire 3 billion candidates. Okay, that's the first point of this first analysis of this news. Now let's move to the other one. Next point guys, Indian, the unbeatable IT market, because most of the companies mentioned there, all of them were Indian. So let me tell you something about Indian IT sector. Currently Indian market, especially in IT, is unbeatable. After California, the Silicon Valley of world, Bangalore is the next IT hub by the end of 2024. Don't believe me, let me tell you some facts. Bangalore, 2016, the total revenue of Bangalore city is $1.3 billion. In 2020, it becomes $7.2 billion, 5.4 times expanded. While London, $3.5 billion in 2016 and 10.5, almost 3 times. So by 2024, London will be $32 billion and Bangalore will be $35 billion. And every big companies like Tesla and everything, etc., are opening their offices in India and in Bangalore basically. So Indian market is unbeatable in world. And apart from Indian IT market, let us discuss something about TCS. TCS is opening everywhere their branches, like in Australia, in America. They are increasing their number of employees, offices. They are giving perks, even those who are on bench, they are giving travel allowance, leave allowance, performance pay, even they are giving on bench. Ratan sir declared salaries to lifetime to all the candidates who died due to COVID. So hard to believe Ratan sir will do something like that, or even Azim Premji. Both are like great personalities we have in our beloved country, India. Now, next point. Few decades back, when respected Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India, introduced the concept of computer science in India, few people opposed its concept by the work of 100 people, 1000 people will get done by 1 people. This led to loss in lakhs of jobs. But today, just because of IT and computers, and crores Indians are having a job. So I'm not saying no one is going to laid off by next year. तो कुछ इस तरह का नहीं कह रहा हूं मैं कि यार फेक न्यूज है और कोई फायर ही नहीं होगा. उन लोगों के लिए जो बिल्कुल टाइम के साथ चेंज नहीं हो रहे, टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ इवॉल्व नहीं हो रहे, कोई रिफॉर्म नहीं लाना चाहते, तो उनका तो ऑब्वियसली होगा. बट और फ्रेशर्स को कोई चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको तो कुछ नहीं, जो थोड़े सीनियर्स है अगर वो चेंज हो जाए टाइम के साथ, टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ वो हो जाए, तो कोई भी नई टेक्नोलॉजी आने से, फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने अभी कंप्यूटर का समझाया, जॉब्स कम नहीं हुई, आज करोड़ों लोग और रोजगार हो गए इससे. इससे भी ऑटोमेशन का जो ये कह रहे हैं, इससे अभी बजाहिर तौर पे लग रहा है कि कम हो रहा है. एआई और डेटा साइंस ले लो यार, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस है, सब कुछ रोबोट्स करेंगे, तो उससे जॉब कम हुई है बढ़ी है? कितनी बढ़ रही है डेटा साइंस में, मशीन लर्निंग में. तो जॉब्स टेक्नोलॉजी से ऐसा लगता है स्टार्टिंग में कि कम होगी, बट इवेंचुअली बढ़ती हैं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जस्ट अप टू डेट विद द टेक्नोलॉजीज, कीप लर्निंग थ्रू आउट द लाइफ एंड यू विल नेवर फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम इन IT market. So guys, finally, no worries, chill, take a chill pill, man. And if you really enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and please subscribe my channel. Until then, stay home, stay safe, bye bye.